Kirti Chaudhary. I recently joined as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at IIT Delhi. I work in the area of graph algorithms. Before joining IIT Delhi, I did my postdoctoral research from Weizmann Institute and subsequently from Tel Aviv University in Israel. I did my PhD studies in IIT Kanpur under Professor Surendra Baswana in graph algorithms. Also, I did my undergraduation in mathematics from IIT Kanpur. So in total, I roughly spent around 9 years of my life in IIT Kanpur. Coming to research, the area of my research is graph algorithms. Within graph algorithms, I work in the field of fault-tolerant algorithms. So let me explain this fault-tolerant algorithms by considering an example. So suppose we are given a network. Let this be road networks of India. Now this network is prone to failures. Every now and then there will be some roads or highways that are not under service due to various constraints. But these failures are very small in number due to simultaneous repair process. So at any given time there will be very few failures that will be taking place in the graph. Now if you want to calculate a distance from suppose Delhi to Bombay, then we can compute this very easily using the Dijkstra's algorithm that is already taught in the basic algorithms course. But what if there are failures? So suppose the route connecting Jaipur and Ajmer is not functional and we have to find a new path. So do we recompute this from scratch? We can do this, but computing from scratch each time, every time there is a slight change in the network would be very expensive. So the goal which people look in the fault-tolerant community is how to efficiently extract out meaningful information from the graph and store in a compact way, which we call as an oracle, so that once some failures arrive and we want to query distance between two cities, then it can be done in a very efficient manner. So these are the kind of problems that are studied in the fault-tolerant setting. And I give example of one such problem, which is distances. Similarly, we can look at all other types of problem. So the problems that I have worked on in this domain are reachability, shortest path, connectivity by connectivity, depth first search, etc. Now besides fault tolerance, I have worked in other domains like dynamic graph algorithms, graph realization, algorithms that have good performance over probabilistic graphs, etc. Now, other than research, I like doing yoga, and that's it. Thank you very much.